came across Bob Khanna from attending the BDA conference a couple of years ago where I first heard him talk. Ever since then, I realised that this was probably where I wanted to come to carry out some training.
I came to Dr. Bob Khanna's Training Institute because I wanted to learn from the best.
Spent the last 3 days with Dr. Bob, who is a really inspiring character.
I've had a fantastic experience. I want to recommend it to all of you guys out there.
Since embarking on my courses, I have felt that my confidence in providing these treatments for patients has excelled.
Been on other courses as well, and what I found very unique about this experience has been that Bob literally goes through step by step.
What I love about Dr. Bob Khanna is quality.
The level of detail, the level of support.
Techniques are safe and predictable.
The highest quality teaching.
I feel very, very confident staff. We've had lots of practice on models, seen lots and lots of examples.
Even though I went into this course a bit sceptical, I now have no doubts that there's no one better than Dr. Bob to teach you all the methods for safe practicing.
I'm so excited to be able to offer this service to my patients.
If you're thinking about it, I would say dive in. You're not going to regret it.
Knowing that I can do the very best for my patients every single time.
If you want to be the best, you have to learn from the best.